Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to look at the relationship between logarithms and indices. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with your friends. All right, let us begin with numbers to given indices. For example, if we use 2 raised to power 2, we know that this one gives us 4. When we take 2 power 3, this one will give us 8. When we take 2 power 4, this one will give us 16. 2 power 5, this will give us 32, and so on. Therefore, in such a statement or such expressions or equations, we say that these are called index notations. These are index notations. Index notation. So the equations are in index form. We can change these ones to logarithm statements, whereby we say the indices are called logarithms of the given numbers. The indices, which in this case are 2, 3, 4, and 5, are called logarithms. They are called logarithms of the numbers. The numbers 4, 8, 16, and 32, respectively, to the corresponding base, or to base 2, because the base is 2. So if we take the first one, for example, if we are changing it to logarithm form, we will say the logarithm of the number here, which is 4, to the base, which is 2, equals to 2. We also go to the next and say the logarithm of 8 to base 2 is equivalent to 3. Again, the logarithm of 16 to base 2 is equivalent to 4. The logarithm of 32 to base 2 equals to 5. Therefore, the indices are the logarithms. We can also notice something else, that if a statement is changing from index notation to logarithm form, the base remains the same. The base is 2 in this case, the base is 2. The next one, the base is also 2, it remains the same. So if we are to come up with a general expression, we'll say in case we are having the logarithm of b to base a equals to c, then it means, because the base has to remain the same, this one in index notation, because it is now in logarithm form, becomes a raised to c equals to b. So it is only b and c which changes their positions, but the base remains the same. If the base is a to power c equals to b, then we'll be taking the logarithm of b to base a equals to c. Therefore, the base remains the same. So this is the general relationship between a logarithm statement and a statement which is in index notation.